Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through Sea Ray's 310 SLX Outboard. I'm going to point out a few of my favorite features on this boat. Starting off with the transom is the amount of storage that is back here. Large storage compartment, fenders, dock lines, everyone's stuff that you're bringing on the boat for the day. Moving forward, another one of my favorite features on the boat is this wet bar. Kenyan electric grill with a refrigerator underneath. Makes it perfect for entertaining. Another one of my favorite features on this boat is the retractable sunshade. Provides a lot of shade on a hot day like today. Two Simrad 12-inch screens here at the dash for easy navigation. And then also really large bow seating area. Thank you for watching. Please give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.